Welcome to the Hunterdon County Polytech Virtual Open House. Polytech's programs blend academics with career exploration and technical training in a wide range of areas, from healthcare to automotive and animal science to construction. Unlike a traditional high school, every one of those programs offers college credits, licensing, credentials, specific job skills, or certification. With the 24 programs that are offered at Polytech, we invite you to view videos that were created by our talented staff for this event. Once you watch the informational videos, please click on the link below the video to connect virtually with the teaching staff. They look forward to answering your questions and speaking about their programs. Remember to apply early. The application deadline is Friday, December 18th. We look forward to you joining the Polytech family.